We'll guide you through how to use the Wix AI Builder to create your website effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up. Once logged in, you'll see an option that says Create New Site. Click on that, and now you'll be prompted to choose what kind of website you want to create. Choose the option that best fits your needs, whether it's a business site, an online store, or a blog. After making your selection, you'll see an option to Let Wix ADI create a website for you. Select this option to leverage the power of Wix's AI Builder. The AI will ask you a series of questions about your website's purpose, style preferences, and the features you'd like to include. Answer these questions as specifically as you can. Once you've finished answering, the AI will generate a website layout tailored to your inputs. You'll then have the opportunity to customize this template further. You can change the text, images, and color schemes to match your brand. To do this, simply click on the element you want to edit. For example, to change text, click on any text box and start typing. To replace images, click on the image and choose Replace to upload your own photos or select from Wix's library. Don't forget to take advantage of the AI's suggestions for adding sections like contact forms or social media feeds. Once you're happy with your design, click Publish at the top right corner to make your site live. Remember, you can always go back and make changes even after publishing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.